Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today, we're making another Roblox Studio tutorial. This one being about how to make a shop system and money system. Now, you may be able to see tons of tutorials on how to make shop and money systems on YouTube, but you may notice one key thing. Not many of them work, and the ones that do work are really complicated. So we're going to make this very simple. Now, it's going to be one of our more complex tutorials, but it should be easy to stay along. First, we're going into Starter Player, and we're adding a value, a money value. Let's name it money, and this. Okay, so this will be our system that saves our money, and this is where all our money is going to be stored. So, the next thing, we're going to make a screen GUI, a text label, and this is for things that only players can see, kind of like your hotbar in Minecraft. So let's put it down here. Let's make the text money. Then we add a UI corner. This adds the little corners to be rounded. Let's make it 0.2. Make the text rich and make it scaled. And then we just make the background color something like green. Okay? Now we have our UI and we have our values. And next, let's add our shop. Actually, no. So, our shop, we can also put it here somewhere. Let's add a button. Buttons detect when they're clicked. Let's make it big again. Shop. Let's put the UI corner into here and make the background color something like gray. There we go. And now, let's add a frame. It'll look like this. It can have, I don't know, let's add like a text button. Yeah, and I'm gonna make this really, more satisfying to look at real quick, 1 second.
Yacht, Riz, Fortnite, Battle Pass.
Okay, we have our little visuals set up. Mostly. Okay. Now, this will be our shop. And, let's add our script into here. That will make the shop open and close. So, script.parent activated connect function nothing. Okay. So, if script.parent.shop.visible equals true, then .visible equals false. So you can probably see this is the exact same code as there was in our door video. It's basically the same thing. It's also the same thing as our light video. It's just making an object inside a model invisible. So the way it works is when it's activated, it will detect if the shop is visible or not. If it is, it'll make it invisible. If not, it'll make it visible. By script being the script, parent being the script's parent, parent again being the parent's parent, screen GUI, dot shop being the thing inside the parent, dot visible being the value in it, equals false. So let's make our code, I guess. So next we're going to need remote function, and then we add a script. So parent dot wait, hold on, I really remember the code real quick. Dot on server invoke equals function player code. So, script.parent.parent.humanoid.walk speed equals code. Actually, let's make it plus equals code, so it's kind of adding. Okay, so we have our scripts in here. Let's make this speed. And then let's add the code for this. So, yeah. Wait, I forgot something. Add this and script.parent.parent.money.value minus equals code. Okay, there. Now we're finished. Anyways, let's go back to this local script, which was here. Okay. If script.parent.activate connect function. We don't need anything. Okay, so now that's connected the function. If game.players.localplayer.character.money. Now it won't be able to paste it in with tab, and that's because it doesn't detect these in here because the player hasn't loaded them yet. These are only here for the working and coding and stuff, and they're only pasted into the player model once the game has functioned or ran. So game.players.localplayer will be whichever player has this inside of their model or character, and the character will be the that will be that player's character, so like their model when they spawn in the game. So if it detects its value is larger than 10, then game.players.localplayer.character speed invoke server 10. I think that should work. Now let's make the shop invisible really quickly. Let's add in our money thing, something that gives you money. So it'll be green. Okay, let's add some texture to it. Now we're not going to use the built-in texture, and we're not going to use anything there. We're going to use Surface GUI text label. So I'm going to set it to top. Now the text label. Let's set the size to 1 and 1. Surface GUIs allow you to place normal GUIs onto parts. So make it rich. Let's make it scaled. You may know something. It's rotated wrong, so anyways, so we want to rotate it then, like this. There we go. Now for the text label, we'll want to make the background invisible, and we're going to add in another script. So script.parent.touched connect function e. If e.parent find first child money, then now this will allow us to detect like you may recognize this script from the Killbricks videos, and if you don't know what any of this code does, I recommend you go watch those videos first. But if you don't know what this means, it's script.parent being the part. If it's touched, then it will run a function with EE being whatever touched it. If EE.parent being the player model that touched it, find first child money, then EE.parent.money being our value we coded in earlier, value minus equals, no, plus equals 5. script.parent destroy. Now let's make them money, and let's make a few of them. Alright. And now let's test our code, and we'll get to debugging. Now these are more junk errors where they're just not detecting it inside of base plate and stuff. Oh yeah, we forgot to code this. So it's script, and then while true do. So for whatever loop, if game.players.localplayer.character, which will be where all our stuff is, money. Oh wait, no, we don't want the if. Script.parent.text equals there. So now its text will be the money value. Wait, 0.1. Okay, sorry that I keep making mistakes in this video. I just haven't coded it in a while. So let's test it. Okay. 5 money. Now let's open our shop and see down there our move speed. We click slightly faster. Oh. Once again, another error has shown up. Oh, we don't want if it's larger than 10. We want if it's larger than 9, which would equal 10. Alright. So now we have our little money system. And there we go. So let's test it out. 5, 10, 15, 20. And now we're super fast. You can do the same code for other things like health, speed, it can be heals, it can be items, whatever you want. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and have a good day.